Kava powder's at the top, right?
It's blended throughout.
Huh.
5, 6. And I count for 6 seconds.
All right.
A flow of Hershey syrup.
All right.
Now I got to mix that up.
Yeah.
So. And I'm just going to put it. Oh, those are to be microwaved. I was going to have these for dinner too. And into the strainer bag.
Huh.
Then you have to kind of work it through the bag.
Wow.
If you've ever seen a cow milk, this is basically what you do to milk a cow.
Oh, great.
Or a goat.
Yeah. Huh.
And this, you could drink it without this, but you'd have all this gumpy stuff.
Huh.
And if people have a low fiber diet, it might be to their advantage to drink this
Powder.
or eat the powder, because it is all
Fiber.
Huh. Okay, I'm just going to dump this into the trash.
So this tastes a little bit chocolatey, or what?
Yeah, give it a sip.
Okay.
It should be chocolate and coconutty. It's pretty gross, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I have more of an acquired taste, and it's not even acquired.
Huh.